I'm a lead of the Turing Way, and I'm really delighted to welcome you on behalf of the Turing Way and Turing Way Practitioners Hub team. That includes myself, Ariel Bennett, Lele Demertzi, and quite a lot of people who I'll name in my introduction. So we've gone through housekeeping. What to expect today? We have a few panels. We have a keynote by Chi Onwura. We will be going into lunch, which is going to be a bit longer because we want you to talk to each other. Please mingle. If you're here alone, even better reason to go and talk to different people. We will have another interactive session on open source software and tech transfer, which will be followed by parallel session, which will be workshop, very, very interactive, two separate panels. We will finish at 4:30. We will try to finish at 4:30. We have a buffer of half an hour if something goes wrong. As said, we will be using Slido. Please take a picture of this if you haven't, or please use the Slido meeting code 3938967. So the Turing Way Practitioners Hub is hosting this two-day event as part of our collaboration with InnovateUK BridgeAI, that are our funder as well. A few words about BridgeAI. It is InnovateUK's £100 million investment to strengthen business in the UK to harness power of AI. With partners including InnovateUK, Digital Catapult, the Alan Turing Institute, STFC Hartree Center, and BSI, we are delivering on BridgeAI's goal, opening new opportunities for business, jobs, and economic growth. BridgeAI offers a lot of funding and support for innovators to adopt AI with a goal to connect business with AI experts, bridge expertise to co-create trusted AI services and technology by bringing together both front end and back end of the AI services, upskilling high growth potential sectors. If you don't know what that is, good reason to talk to BridgeAI. We will be very delighted to tell you more about it. You will hear from our partners tomorrow at the showcase event. As a strategic partner, the Alan Turing Institute convenes unique expertise across data science and AI across 4 work streams. So we have independent scientific advisory. These are independent researchers with expertise in AI who talk to different SMEs and offer them customized and bespoke services. Sorry, not services, consultation. AI regulation and governance team that provides us regulatory standards, training, and guidance. AI upskilling and business competency framework led by the Turing skills team head by Vera. And finally, the Turing Way Practitioners Hub, which offers cohort-based targeted approach to engage SMEs and organizations. Although this event is hosted under the Turing Way Practitioners Hub, we are heavily collaborating with our work stream partners who you will hear from today and tomorrow as well. So a few words about what is the Turing Way and Practitioners Hub and why are we doing this event. The Practitioners Hub has its origin in the Turing Way, which is a community-led guide on data science and AI practices. We are an open source, open collaboration, and globally distributed community working together to make data science accessible, reproducible, and beneficial for as many people as possible. We offer an open access book. We are an open source community. We are an ecosystem facilitator collaborating with different organizations in different aspects of open science, open data, and AI. And our community members are building best practices, taking intervention for the culture change they need. This is the team that includes myself, Ariel, Anneli Steele, and Lele. Kirsty Whitaker is the founder of the project. The project started in 2019. We are very proud to celebrate 5 years with over 350 chapters, 500 contributors, and numerous community efforts. You can learn more about this by the-turing-way.org. You will find all the links that you would need. We've been built in the open on GitHub from the start. Everything that we share is shared under MIT and CC BY license. We have over 1,000 community members, 6,000 monthly users, as you can see on the map. And our international community have also translated our resources in languages that serves their own community. If we want to build global practices, it's really important that we bring on board the international community that want to use data science and AI. We have collaborated with many, many organizations. I'm very proud to host a lot of work that our organization partnership is doing, as well as the new projects that have come out as a result of their interaction with the Turing Way. You can find all our resources on Zenodo. We are also on Slack. we have newsletter, all of those things. Again, that link should work for you to get anywhere you want. So I want to thank the entire community that has made this project a success. We have also learned that it's one thing to engage at the grassroots level and try to make change from the bottom up. It is equally important to engage with institutional actors, including policymakers, funders, and industry partners. This is why the Practitioners Hub was created. We provide cohort-based approach to engage with industries of different sizes to enhance their expertise, strategies, and readiness to adopt AI along with best practices, as championed by the Turing Way. Our goal is to enable organizations to lead innovative, community-centered, and ethical data science and AI businesses. We're very lucky to host 40 experts in residence who are representing 20 organizations across different groups. You would meet a lot of them. If our experts in residence are in the room, please show your hand so people can recognize you and talk to you. And we have a lot of members also joining online. As part of our Practitioners Hub journey, we are in our third stage, and our topic was open source and ethics. Of course, open source is nothing without its community, which is why we wanted to design an event that brings together people to create that collaborative spirit where we can learn from each other what we are doing in open source and ethics. Another reminder, only Slido, just because we want to be fair with who gets to speak in the room as well as online. I'm going to turn that on. Just again, thank you so much for Ariel and Lele. They have worked really hard to pull this event through. So please, if you take some time to talk to them, but also if you have any question, reach out to us. I also want to thank our day one facilitators, Aida Mehonich, Sofia, Nicholas Gate, David Perez Suarez, Jacob Green, and Mariangela Mihai, who will be leading different panels and workshops today. Tomorrow, we'll hear from Alexandra Araujo Alvarez, Arcangelo Leone, Christopher Burr, Dominica D'Arcangelo. And finally, we have left a room for you. So if you have any idea that you would like to engage other people in, we have left the parallel session tomorrow unnamed. We will host a short pitch session where you will be able to pitch your idea and get people to talk to you. So that phase would be yours. Thanks to our online facilitator, David Sarmiento Perez, Dennis Smith, Emma Karoon, Julia Tomba, and Cassandra Gulban Prag. In-person facilitators are the same name, Dominica, Alexandra. You should also meet Anastasia Stein and Punita Maisuria.